Now let us see the type of presses. So the classification of different types of presses are given as the first classification we are having based on the source of power. So in that we are having manual presses and power presses. So manual presses are operated by the hand or ball or fly presses. Then we are having the power presses, which are having the classification of mechanical or hydraulic presses. Then the next classification we are having based on the method of actuation of the slides. So based on the devices used in the mechanical presses for converting the rotary motion of the main shaft to the linear motion of the crank, the presses can be divided into the crank operated press, cam press, eccentric press, screw press, rack and pinion press, knuckle joint press, and toggle joint press. The third classification is based on the number of slides. We are having single action press, double action press, and triple action press. Based on the type of frame used, we are having the back inclinable C frame, gap bed press, adjustable bed press, horn press, straight side press, arch press, tie rod type press, and pillar type press. And last, based on the end use, the most machines are capable of doing variety of operations, and only some of machines are designed for a particular type of job. So these machines are known as the by their end users. These are the based on end use. So let us see a very simple type of this uh, presses. One of the type is the fly press or ball press. Okay, so this is typical example of mechanical press. This press is operated by hand and can be used for performing most of the sheet metal operations on a small scale. So look at the diagram. The fly press or ball press is the most simple of all the presses and is operated by the hand. So the working details you can see as in the diagram shown. So the frame of the machine is, see, this is the frame of the machine is a rigid C-shaped or F-shaped casting which is subjected to the severe thrust exerted by this ram. Uh, so the two heavy cast iron balls you can see it is mounted. The two heavy cast iron balls are mounted on this ram. Sorry, mounted on this R, which is bolted to the screw. See, this arm is bolted to the screw, so that when the handle is turned, it causes the screw to rotate within the nut. Attached to the lower end of the screw is the ram, and ram is, see, this is ram. So lower end of the screw is attached to this ram, which is moves ups and down in slides provided at the extension of the frame. Okay, the connecting arrangement between the screw and the ram, see, this connecting arrangement between the screw and this ram is such that when the screw is rotated, the ram only slides up and down within this guide. As we know, the punch and the die constitutes this press tool, the punch being the upper part or the upper member which is fixed to the lower end of this ram, and the die is the lower member of this press. Okay, so this is about the fly or ball press. This is basically used for performing most of the sheet metal operations or the small scale. Then we are having this all types of presses here. So this is the inclinable C frame. Then we are having gap bed, adjustable bed, horn type, solid straight side, then the arch, tie rod press, and pillar press. Now, if you look at this gap press, this is the gap press. So this is having the gap like opening. See, this is having the gap like opening in the frame for feeding the sheet metal from one side of the press. Okay, and the frame is integral with the base and provided a rigid construction in the gap bed. And then we in inclined press is the most common type of press used in the industry, and the identifying characteristic of the inclined press is its ability to tilt back on its base, permitting the scrap or finished products to be discharged from the die by gravity directly without aid of any type of handling mechanism. So basically this press is not rigid as a gap press owing to its construction. Okay, then we are having this adjustable bed press. So it is having the mechanical arrangement for raising or lowering the table on which the die fitted, and this enables setting of different size of work and dies on the machines. So these presses are not so rigid as the other types. These are the adjustable beds. Then we are having the horn press. So it has the cylindrical horn. It has the cylindrical horn and light projection from the machine frame. See, this is the machine frame. This is like a projection from the machine frame, which serves as the die support. The horns may be interchanged for the different size of works, and the press is intended for cylindrical workpieces. So this is a horn type or horn press. Then straight side press, it has two vertical rigid frames. See here, it is having two vertical rigid frames mounted on two slides of the base, which are intended for absorbing severe load exerted by the ram. And the machine is suitable for heavy work, but due to presence of the side frames, the sheet metal cannot be fed from this side. That is the limitation. The sheet metal cannot be fed from the sides. That is the main limitation of this solid state side press. Then if you see this in pillar press, so it is a hydraulic press having four pillars mounted on the base, and the pillar supports and guide the ram. These pillars are going to support the ram. Okay, so these are some types of press frames. Okay,